Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I welcome you to in your online classes. Now student, we will start today a new chapter. Before starting the chapter, I want to ask you something. Are you think about that questions? Now our chapter number 15 is water and its forms. Means how we get water and what are the purest source or what are the main source of the water. That is rain. You all know about that. The main source of the water is rain. Now how the rain happen in our atmosphere? If the rain comes on the earth through the water cycle, means the circulation of the water bodies. What is the meaning of the water bodies? We get water from that place. That is the water bodies, means the water collected there. Rain water collected in the different types of in the source of the water, means that is it form a water body, means river, lake, pond, spring, oceans, seas. These are the water bodies. We found their water. Clear? We not found in a whole place of the earth water. We found water only in the water bodies. Clear? So these are the source of the water. Now how it possible? How the water bodies form in the earth? On the earth, if the water body found, how it is happened on the earth? Through the rain. When the rainwater comes on the earth and it collected in the different water bodies. Clear? So we get water, but the scientists say the rainwater is the purest water, clean and purest water. Clear? But when the water comes on the earth, it automatically become dirty. Why it's automatically become dirty? Because on the upper side, in the atmosphere, the water present. That time some dust particles and some smoke and other chemicals also mix in the rainwater. And when the water touch the ground, means जैसे ही धरती पर आता है पानी, automatically the soil and other chemicals and so many things or so many activities, those are doing by the animals and the human beings. It make water dirty. Clear? So how we get a clean water? We say the 1% of water is drinking water. Whatever the water present in the nature. There are so many rivers, there are so many ponds on the earth, there are so many springs and lakes, pond also, but their water is not suitable for the drinking. आप उस पानी को डायरेक्टली पी नहीं सकते. Clear? But why this thing happened? This is the most important question. If we say river is the source of the water, pond is the source of the water, the lake is the source of the water, but their water is not suitable for the human beings. We say that is the drinking water. There are so many rivers in India and we use their water as a drinking water, but directly we don't use that water. कि आपने यूं लिया और पानी पी लिया, ये नहीं कर सकते आप. Clear? But how does the water of these water bodies become dirty? This is the very important question or very big question mark for us. If we say 1% water only drinking water, we include both types of water in that 1%, means surface water plus underground water. If we divide source of the water, तो side of the earth in the form of river, lake, pond. Okay. Now the underground water means we get that water from the deepest side of the earth. This water present in the inside of the earth. ये बहुत गहराई में होता है underground water. We also discussed about that in the chapter number 50. But once again, I want to discuss you something about the sources of the water because this chapter related to that thing. Now, underground water we get from the well, through the hand pump. Through that we get this water. Now the surface water and the underground water. Only this 1% water is the drinking water. But underground water we know this is present in the inside of the earth. जमीन के अंदर होता है. So that is the pure water. We use that. But river, lake, pond, spring, that water is not a drinking water. But we make this water to suitable for the human beings. Means through the process we make this water as to drinking water. Change that water. Clear? But in this chapter, I hope you understand what I want to say you. That chapter related to this thing. All the water is that is present in the nature. That is the clean water. No. When water comes in the form of rain, that is the clean. But when it touch the earth, automatically it becomes dirty. So our today's topic is clean water. That is the chapter number 16 and the name of the chapter is clean water. This is the chapter name. But how much percent of the water only clean water or drinking water? Only 1%. The most important question for us, how do the water become dirty? Which thing make water dirty? कैसे पानी गंदा होता है? Those water flows on the river. Okay? जो पानी नदियों में बहता है. That is the clean water from the beginning. But when that water comes to touch in the human beings or comes in the surface, it become dirty. How it is possible? कैसे होता है पानी गंदा? कि जैसे ही वो लोगों के संपर्क में आता है तो गंदा होना शुरू हो जाता है. Think about that. In this chapter, this thing given. Now, the chapter name is clean water. In this chapter, we discuss about the why we clean water. Means the water present on the water bodies, means present in the river, lake, pond, spring, well, hand pump. So why we clean this water? Nature give us pure thing, but the human being made it worst. बहुत गंदा बना देता है इंसान उस चीज को. नेचर हमें बहुत अच्छा पानी देता है. Okay? So in this chapter, what is given? Open the page number 107. We read the chapter and I also explain you about it. Okay? Page number 107. The topic name is clean water. In this chapter, we will discuss about the why we clean water and how can we conserve water. Clear? First, we will discuss about the cleaning. Okay? Now, first line, what is given in the first line? Water is necessity for all living things. Yes, without water we cannot survive on the earth because so many works we are doing through the water. In the 15th chapter, we will discuss about that from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. Human beings use water in the so many works. Clear? Water is necessity for all living things. Yes. Animals drink it from various sources. Now we are the human beings. We use water. Which water we use? Tap water. हम नल का पानी पीते हैं. But the animals use various source of the water. If they get water from the river, automatically they drink that water. In the big cities, the animals not get pure water, तो they automatically use the sewage water. जो नालियों में बहता है उसी को पीने लग जाते हैं जानवर. Clear? So now the second paragraph. Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. Yes. This thing we also discussed. What is the function of the root? It absorbs the water from the soil. Why absorb the water from the soil? Because the plants need water. Each and every part of the plant need water. This thing we already means living things need water. In the living things, which thing comes in the living category? Human beings, animals, plants, birds. These are the living things, and living things need water. Human beings use water in the different work. Now the animals also use water for the drinking. And how does animals get water? Animals get water from the water bodies. Now the plant depend on the human beings or depend on the nature. The plants through their roots absorb the water from the soil. Clear? Now second paragraph, third line. Water may not be always clean. Yes. Why this line given? Water may not be always clean. Why the water not always clean? Because there are so many activities of the human beings make them dirty. The waste water from the homes and the factories makes the river dirty. Now, if we use water in our home, okay, in our home we use water through the drainage system. Drainage मतलब नालियों से. That water going to mix in the river. Because last and least point of the waste water is river. जो गंदा पानी होगा उसको नालियों से कहाँ बहाते हैं? नदियों में ही जाता है, या हमारे आसपास कुछ तालाब होगा तो उसमें मिक्स कर दिया जाता है. उस पानी को कभी ग्राउंड में नहीं छोड़ते. क्लियर? सो दिस dirty water mix in the river, and the water that is present in the river automatically become dirty. We use the water and through the drainage we throw that water in the river. There are so many factories, there are so many industries running continuously. बहुत सारी फैक्ट्रीज चलती है, कारखाने चलते हैं. तो that factories and industries use water. And what is the waste water? That flows in the rivers or in the ocean, in the seas. So it mix in that water and automatically that water become dirty. This water is unfit for drinking. Yes. People wash clothes and bath in riverway. Yes, human beings are very clever. Human beings use water, water of the each and every place. River, either it is river, either it is ocean, either it is sea, or pond, or well, hand pump. All types of the sources of the water used by the human beings. Clear? In the olden time, people in the home, the people have no tap. घरों में नल नहीं होते थे पुराने समय में. Each and everybody go into the river and take bath there, also wash their clothes and come back to home. This thing going in the olden days. Now at present we take a bath in our home. We make a very fancy bathrooms and toilets and use a lots of water, and we throw that water in the river. In the olden time जितनी ज़रूरत होती थी उतना ही इंसान यूज़ करता था, लेकिन इस समय में यूज़ करके उसको सीधे फेंकता ही है पानी को. क्लियर? And in the olden time people not use any soap, but at present we use very expensive shampoos, soaps, and for the washing clothes we use very expensive detergent also. So this thing make the environment dirty because so many chemicals we use to prepare these soaps and shampoos and the detergent. So it makes our earth and water dirty. Some people also take their domestic animals to the rivers to give them a bath. Dirty water also contain many harmful germs. Drinking this water can cause diseases like diarrhea, cholera, typhoid and jaundice. Now in this paragraph, what thing given in this paragraph? We will discuss once again. Page number 107, this first paragraph, whole paragraph. Okay? पानी कैसे गंदा होता है? There are so many activities doing by the animals, doing by the human beings. Means first is through the wastewater in the river, in the water bodies. Okay? If we throw the water, waste water in the water bodies, after that if we throw the garbage in the water bodies, clear? First thing is throw the water, waste water in the water bodies. Second thing, throw the garbage in the water bodies. आप अगर कचरा नदियों में फेंकोगे, गंदा पानी नदी में ही बहाओगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली that water become dirt. And human beings also doing some activities in the river, take a bath, washing their clothes, and also they wash their domestic animals in the river. अपने पालतू जानवरों को नदी में ही नहलाते हैं जाकर. तो this thing make water dirty. Now the water most important for the animals, plants and human beings. Why we say only these three things need water? Because all these three things are living things. ये तीनों जिंदा चीजें हैं. Clear? Now after that if you use unclean water, if you use water that is present in the nature, you directly use that water, it affected to your body. How does your body affected to the unclean water? Because there are so many diseases spread in the human beings. If you use unclean water, आप गंदा पानी अगर यूज करोगे, if you drink a dirty water or unclean water, तो ऑटोमेटिकली your body kept you in the so many diseases. बहुत सारी चीजें आपको पकड़ लेगी आपकी बॉडी को. So many diseases spread in the human beings. Some name also given here, that is spread from the dirty water. Diarrhea, this is related to your digestive system. If you drink dirty water, it affected to your digestive system and सब पूरे पेट में गड़बड़ी कर देता है गंदा पानी. Clear? After that, cholera, typhoid and jaundice. These are the name of the diseases that spread through the dirty water. जो गंदे पानी से बीमारियां होती है. The name of that diseases is diarrhea, cholera, typhoid and jaundice. So for the prevent from the diseases, we use or we drink clean water. But how does we get clean water? In the nature, the clean water is not present because so many activities of the human beings make them dirty. Now, so we make this water unclean water to drinking water. So that some process doing by the human beings. Okay. Now in the next chapter, clean water. What is the meaning of the clean water? The drinking water is a clean water. अगर हम उसको पी सकते हैं तो वो पानी कैसा है? साफ है. Read that paragraph. Water must be clean before drinking or else we will fall ill. If we drink dirty water, तो we fall ill. हम बीमार पड़ जाएंगे. Water has to be cleaned before supplying to our homes. The dirt has to be removed and the germs need to be killed. Water from rivers and lakes is collected and cleaned by big water treatment plant. Germs are killed by making the sunlight fall on it in huge open air tanks. Then chlorine is added to kill tiny insects and germs that can make us ill. Water is then passed through the layers of, turn the page number 108, through sand before it is sent through the pipe into our homes. Sometimes water that is supplied to our homes is also not clean. We clean it at home by boiling for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Boiling helps in killing the germs. We also use water filter as they clean the water and make it safe for us to drink. Now in this paragraph, what is given in this paragraph? We will discuss about that first. 107. Water must be cleaned before drinking or else we fall ill. Yes, water that is present in the pond and the river, in the well, we directly not use that water. First we clean them because so many dirt particles is there, dust particles is there and so many germs is there. Clear? So before the supplying, we clean the water in the water treatment plant. Next heading is clean water. This heading, now what is given in the first line of this paragraph? Before drinking we clean the water. Yes, but how do we clean the water? Because there are so many houses in a one colony. एक कॉलोनी में बहुत सारे घर होते हैं, कोई हमारा अकेला का घर तो नहीं है. Now one big tank also in each and every colony. From that tank द वाटर सप्लाइड इन आवर होम, हमारे घर में उसी से सप्लाई होता है ना, बड़ी सी टंकी से पानी आता है ना. नाउ दैट टैंक फिल्ड विथ क्लीन वाटर, बट हाउ द वाटर रीच ऑन द टैंक? बिफोर दैट द वाटर क्लीन इन अ ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट, in a water treatment plant. This is a place where we clean the water for the some after the some treatment. Suppose if you are falling ill, अगर हम लोग बीमार पड़ते तो we all go to hospital. In the same way, when the water become dirty or water become ill, जब पानी भी बीमार हो जाएगा, some germs is there, so many bad things mix in the water, तो इट बिकम ऑटोमेटिकली जो वाटर है वो कैसा हो जाएगा, बीमार हो जाएगा ना. तो फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट और फॉर द क्लीनलीनेस वी सेंड द वाटर इन द वाटर प्लांट. द वाटर फ्रॉम द रिवर्स एंड लेक्स सेंड इनटू द वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट. क्लियर? नाउ देयर आर सो मेनी dust particle is there, some soil particles also is there. So the dirt has to be removed and the germs need to be killed. How do we remove the dirt? After the some treatment means we use some net. Through the net we pass out the water through the net, so dust particle stop there. Like this way we use net. हम छन्नी यूज करते हैं. If we pass the water here, the dust particle collect there and dirt also collect here, and the clean water going to. This process is called filtration. Filtration means we filter the water through the some tools are through the net. If the water crossing there, the dust particles, sand particles, stone particles, this is stop here and the water comes down. So by the filtration we remove the dirt, dust, stone, sand particles. Clear? This is called filtration. छानना. If Hindi we say छानना. Filtration. Clear? This thing removed by the filtration. After that we send the water for removing the germs. We collect the water and keep that water in the sun, in front of the sun rays. The sun rays kill that germs. Clear? In a big tank we kept it water and sun rays kill the germs. There are so many germs. Through the sun rays we destroy dead germs. Sun rays के सामने छोड़ दिया जाता है बड़े बड़े टैंकर्स में. Sun rays kill dead germs. Clear? Now after the sometimes when the germs killed by the sun rays, This water sent to the another chamber. Clear? And here we mix chlorine, that is chlorine. We mix chlorine in that water, and that chlorine kill the tiny insect. That is very tiny insects. बहुत छोटे छोटे जो जर्म्स होते हैं उनको ये क्लोरीन खत्म कर देता है. Clear? In home we also use chlorine solution. Sometimes the water is not clean, so that time we use that bottle also available in the chemist place. Chemist के पास होती है, दवाई की दुकानों पर वो मिलती है. तो we add that 1 or 2 drop in the pot. The water automatically clean. And for the cleaning we use also फिटकरी भी यूज करते हैं हिंदी में बोले तो. Clear? Now, so this thing happened in the water treatment plant. Water, whatever we get from the river, from the pond, first we filter that water. सबसे पहले हम उस पानी को छानते हैं. In the this process going into the water treatment plant. And in near the Khargon, the water treatment plant also available in the Mandleshwar. That is the small form of that place is PHE. एक प्लेस है मंडलेश्वर में, उसे क्या कहते हैं? PHE, जहाँ पर वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट है. वाटर को क्लीन करके फिर सप्लाई किया जाता है, नर्मदा के वाटर को. क्लियर? So water treatment plant, what happened in the water treatment plant? In that place, अगर आपने कभी वहाँ पे विजिट किया हो, if you visited that place, so there very huge number of the tanks is there, and their size is very large. So first in the first chamber, what happened there? When the water comes from the river, through the filtration process, we filter them. Clear? Why we filter that water? Because some dirt particle mixes in the water, stone particles, sand particles also in that water. So to removing that particles, we use this process that is called filtration. छानना, छानते ना हमारे घर पे भी पानी को हम, तो same process going there. Filtration for removing the dirt. After that we send this water into the huge tanks, and we leave that water in that tanks in front of the sun rays. Why we leave that water in front of the sun rays? Because sun rays kill the germs. Because the sun ray is very powerful. Clear? Now after removing the germs, we send this water into the other tank, and what is going on there? We mix chlorine to kill the small tiny germs. Clear? So this thing happened in the water treatment plant. Now after that, this water supplied through the pipes into the different parts of the city. Because this is the clean water and this is the drinking water. After the treatment, we send it for the drinking. Clear? Now, sometimes this water also not clean. So, for that we boil the water for the 15 to 20 minutes. अगर पानी फिर भी आपको लगता है कि साफ नहीं है, तो आप उसको 15 से 20 मिनट गर्म करेंगे, तो ऑटोमेटिकली that water become clean. Clear? Now in the present time we use water filter. RO, UV system is also available. So through that we get this water. Clear? Now student, whatever I explain you through this picture, this thing given in the 108 page number. Okay, so there are many methods make water clean. Let us learn about two of them. Two methods given here, page number 108. We read that. Decantation. First number, decantation. Now, the process of separating solid impurities from water is known as decantation. Okay? Now, the filtration. The water that we get after decantation looks clean, but it is not fit for drinking. It may still have some impurities and germs that make this water fit for drinking. We purify it further. How can you purify it? Okay? So this thing, whatever I explained you about the water treatment, only two things given here. Okay? Filtration. After that, what is going in the next step? And that is the last step. Okay? Clear, student? So today we will discuss about the different source of the water, how the water we get, how the water utilized by the human beings, plants and animals, and this chapter related to clean water, means water present in the nature that is not clean water. We use water in the different ways, and that thing make water dirty. Now, if you want to get drinking water, so that water that is present in the nature, through the some treatment, we make that water drinking water. So this process given in the page number 107 and 108. Now, student, today we will discuss about this thing, only this thing, water treatment, how we get clean water, and two methods also given, that is the not only one given is filtration and decantation. This thing given, and water treatment plant I showed you through this picture. How we make the water of the river, lake and pond make as a drinking water. Through the water treatment, we make the water clean. Our water present in the water bodies, we make that water clean, our drinking water. How it is possible for us? Through the water treatment, we make water drinking water. Clear? Now, this is the today's lecture, and student, I give you homework. You read the chapter number 16 at home. Clear? And if you have any confusion, talk with me. My number is also on the group. Okay, student? So, chapter number 16. Today we will started this chapter, clean water, and I explained you about the water treatment and some other thing also. Now remaining part we discuss in the next lecture. For that time I give you homework. उतने समय के लिए आपको homework दे रही हूँ. Read the chapter at home. Clear? And I hope you also finish your writing part. Yes or no? सबका हो गया writing part? लिख लिया सबने? Okay. Now student, I finish my lecture here. I hope you enjoy the lecture. Bye bye.